Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be we're continuing on with artists and styles, and today's artist is Katsuhiro Otomo, or the guy that done Akira, for those of you that know manga and anime. So again, we're just going to use the same prompt. But I'm going to change Banksy into Katsuhiro Otomo. What happened there then? Right, we don't need graffiti artist anymore. I'll take everything out so we can just use his name to start with. Graffiti gone. Right, and SDXL beta, so it's that one. And we just leave everything as is, apart from I want 16 images. Use a new random seed and create. Let's see what it gives us. Hope you enjoyed the last two videos, the Picasso and the Banksy ones. If you've got any suggestions for any videos, just give me a shout and I'll do them for you. Just take my credits and we'll soon be able to see what comes up here. Wow, right, I need to remove the psychedelic colour scheme for the time being. But can I see it? That's manga-ish. So that's definitely manga. So let's have a look at that one. Yeah, it's got those eyes. That reminds me of something manga. But the rest, not sure. Maybe that. They're cool boxes for sure. But let's add some keywords in. So we'll go manga and anime, and down here I'll go anime and manga. In fact, I'll just do it once to see what difference it makes, just so you guys can see it in action. So we'll go for it again. Okay, let's have a look. That's what it's given us. I'm not feeling that one there for sure. So that one there's manga. But the rest of them, maybe that one, that could even be him. That might be the guy. Katsuhiro. Right, so let's add some keywords in then. Manga and anime. I'll add manga. Manga and anime. And this time we'll just select one. No, we'll just go for overall prompt weight. We'll boost that up to 80. We want a new random seed. Right, let's try again. Okay, so again, it's pretty hit and miss with this. So at the moment, I would say it's not really picking up really what I was after. I'm sure Midjourney would be able to do a better job, simply because it's got a manga setting. So if I disable that, if I come into, I'll just show you for just for comparison. If I go to settings in Midjourney, I can go to the Niji version. So I'll go Niji 5. Let's get the prompt. Let's see what it comes up with. Let's see what that comes up with. But at the moment here, again, that one there may be okay. I don't think the manga and the anime bit really made that much difference. So if I come to creations, I'll try and find one that I like. I like that one there. So let's select that one, make it that. Let's evolve it. Yeah, noise weight. I'll leave it at 50 so it can randomise it a little bit. But I'll put the prompt weight up to 80. I want a new seed. Let's see what happens. Let's get a look at Midjourney. Again, there doesn't seem to be... Oh, there's maybe some manga going on down here. So the whole Katsuhiro Otomo, I wonder if we change it to art by. So the last one's given us more anime for sure. You know, the anime people, the heads, the style. That one there's quite groovy. Yeah, that's definitely anime in there. And like, I don't know what that is, but that's pretty cool. So we could keep that one and evolve it. But this time I'm going to change this a little bit. Art by. Let's see what happens. I'll leave that as it is. Leave that as it is. Yep, we want new seeds. Yeah, look, Midjourney's, it's totally different. It's really picked up on the anime, but that's because we used the anime settings, the Niji version 5. So I knew it would be... It's clearly been trained on anime stuff. But it's very cool. Very cool. Whereas Nightcafe seems to be struggling a little bit. Yeah, they're interesting. They are interesting. I like the fact that they're different to Midjourney. That's quite a nice one. I like that one. I'm going to evolve it. Let's have a look. I'm going to add the psychedelic colour scheme. In fact, I'm not going to put it there. Cut that there. Put it in there. Yeah, and this time I'm going to put the noise up a bit, just to see if we can get some cool variations. And then we'll do this. Hopefully that'll give us some groovy results. And Midjourney, yeah, so I could just go on and on and on with that and get some crazy. But I'll be doing Katsuhiro Otomo on Midjourney in another video anyway. So let's see the variations we got. That one's a beauty. That's pretty cool. So is that one. That's kind of manga-ish. That's like a cherry there. So strange where it's going, but some nice results. See, I like that, so I would probably go, I'll times 6 that. So yeah, as you can see clearly, would you expect Picasso and Banksy to be more influential on the images than Katsuhiro Otomo? Probably yes. Simply because they're more famous, unless you're Japanese or you're into anime and manga, I guess. But yeah. Okay, so that's us done on this one. I'm going to do another one more on these, and it's going to be Frankenthaler. I can't remember her first name, but she does soapstone abstract paintings. And there we go. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.